Hello everyone, in this session we are going to learn transformation features in NX CAD software. Transformation features means pattern and mirror command. For pattern, a design feature or a detail feature can be made into dependent copies in the form of an array. It can be linear, circular, polygon, spiral, etc. This particularly helpful feature saves plenty of time and modeling when you have similar features. For example, threads of a gear or holes on a mounting plate, etc. This command can be found under Insert Associative Copy Pattern feature. You can also click on its icon in the feature group. Example is shown below. This is how you can pattern. We will see this in software. Here we can see the pattern feature command. Click on pattern feature. Here the window will open. Select feature which you want to pattern. I will select this. Here I will select a linear pattern. Likewise, here are options as circular pattern, polygon, spiral, along, general. Okay, here you can select the vector. You can give the count and distance between two features. Then if you want in next direction also, here you can select the vector, then count and distance between two features. Okay, and click OK. This is how you can create the pattern feature. Okay, and for mirror command, click on more. Here you can see the mirror feature. Select the feature and here click on plane. See, this is how mirror about a plane. Okay, thank